Okay, so 3'9" is what it is when I'm right here on the concrete. 5'7" is what it is at the first set of pins. There's a little difference between the two, but it's close enough. 5'7" is 2 inches short of 2 feet. So it's 22 inches of lift that those have to come out of the ground. Then the next one is 7'3". So if we go from 3'9", let's just start at 4. We go 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 4 feet, 3 inches plus 9. That's 5 feet it has to come out of the ground. So that's quite a drop. And again, if you took these two containers, when they're set in place, they're going to be 16 feet wide by 40 feet deep, and you created a triangle, and the back side of the triangle was 5 feet high, and the front was, let's say, level, came to 0, it would take 25 truckloads of dirt to fill that. And for what? So that the container can sit there with dirt under it? So we're going to lift them, and hopefully that works well. We're going to use 18-inch columns because that's the biggest size auger bit that I have. So we're going to use 18-inch columns, rebar them in, and then I'm working on a flat plate for the top that I can embed in the wet cement, and then we'll set the containers on that piece of metal that is embedded into the cement, and that way we can just tack weld them in place so that they don't move around or the wind won't catch them at some point in time. The longer term goal is to put another one over here. We'll have to stagger it because we're going downhill here. We'll put another one over here, get its level set, and then decide the floor level inside between the two. They're going to be 40 feet apart. Between the two, we're going to put a roof over the top so that I can park trailers and other things in. So this is just the start. This will also give us a place, as we start to move up from the city, this gives us a place to start to move things into. And so these containers, one will be predominantly the garage and tools and electrical and plumbing and all the things I have accumulated in the garage will go into one of them. The other one will be the downstairs storage, the attic storage, and different things that in our storage areas, so that hopefully by next spring we have those kind of areas picked through, cleaned, thrown out, and then stored what we want to keep. That's the goal, because we are now on a 1-year countdown. Sometime around the 1st of September next year would be the ideal time to put the house on the market in the city. So that's the plan. Thanks for coming along.
Okay, so here I'm conversing with my son Lars. He's a project manager with a construction company, so he's got quite a bit of experience at looking at these. And what we're doing is we're setting up and saying, okay, we're on this concrete pad. That's kind of our reference point. We're going to go 30 feet off the pad. That's where the first set of pilings are going to be for the containers, and I want to be level. I want to line up on this line off of the concrete pad. So everything's kind of keyed off of that concrete pad, and the object is to get a line going back that is parallel with the front edge of that pad, and then start to set pins at the 30-foot and the 70-foot mark, and then we can do left to right crosses on that and start to say, okay, here's where 8 foot's going to be, here's where 16 foot's going to be. And once this section, these two container wides, once this section is laid out, then we can extend it down towards the left 40 more feet and set for the singular container that is going on the 40-foot or on the far left side. The object is to then put a roof over the top. There's a lot of fill that has to be done. We got a lot of drop happening here, but this is the start of the layout.
I've been making mistakes, trying to cure a heartbreak, but it's all in vain. All up in my feelings, staring at the ceiling, trying to keep my heart on straight. If I could turn back time, would I say goodbye? Baby, would I let you go? Could you tell me why I keep switching sides? I don't really know, so please forgive my bipolar heart, baby. No medication can save me, save me. So back and forth lately, keep keeping you waiting. Please forgive my bipolar heart, bipolar heart, bipolar heart. Every little thing is confusing me, almost like the pain is amusing me. Well, am I wrong or right? Should I fight or flight? Sometimes I wonder if I'll even make it through the night. Cause I hold you tighter when you let go, not change my mind when you get too close. If we light this fire, will it go cold? Go cold. Please forgive my bipolar heart, baby. No medication can save me, save me. So back and forth lately, keep keeping you waiting. Please forgive my bipolar heart, bipolar heart, bipolar heart. If I could turn back time, could I make things right? If I could turn back time, could I make things right? Oh, if I could turn back time, could I make things right? Wish I never let you go.
So here Melissa comes out to help, and we measure it again, and we string some lines, and then we start setting some corners, and check things for square. This was a bit of a project. We got some of the pins in the wrong place, and it didn't square up. It didn't make any sense, so we had to kind of back up and do it again. But in the end, it took a little longer than it should have, but in the end, we got everything squared up and got the pins in the ground, and we'll get ready for drilling some holes, which you will see in the next video.
Baby, no medication can save me, save me. So back and forth lately, keep keeping you waiting. Please forgive my. Don't really know what I feel. I know we're running out of time. I don't really know what I'm feeling tonight.
Holding my head again, making my way through crowded thoughts. Sometimes it's hard to get out of it. Broke my heart in the dark. I was just trying to feel something, falling asleep to the sound of it. Always used to let you clean up the messes. Down on my knees, thought I couldn't stand up on my own. Turns out sometimes you're stronger alone. Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. Cause I'm looking for a hero. Look inside the mirror, I found one. Oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12. Don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself. Got burned, but I learned. Our scars make us who we are. Now I'm 10 feet tall over my demons. Remind me no one's got me like myself. Yeah, I love me without any help. I'm the best thing to believe in. So I'm bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off, and I fall down 11, I get up 12, don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself. I could crumble into pieces, but I got a million reasons why I won't. 'Cause this heavy is a season, and the sun is always right behind the storm. Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off, and I fall down 11, I get up 12, don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself. Can save myself, myself. Yeah, I can save myself.
Okay, thanks for joining us. Here's a preview of what the next video is going to be. We're going to start to drill some holes, get some sonotubes in place. But we thank you for coming along. Make sure you like and subscribe. Join us for the next video on the adventures of the first-time farmer.